Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is obviously a Halloween makeup tutorial for a half-face creepy pumpkin situation. Not really sure what to call this, but it's been a while since I've dabbled in Halloween makeup, so it is definitely not perfect. I've already learned some things that I would want to improve, but if you want to watch along and try and do this for your costume or for any kind of outing or just for fun, then keep watching this video and I will kind of show you how I got this look. guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look, but I also wanted to kind of point out a few things just to kind of give you some tips if you are watching this and planning out your costume ahead of time. This look is very, very simple, but you have to be patient with the layering. As you can see in the video, you know, it starts out looking pretty much like a hot mess, and you can really be strategic about which parts you do first. I don't like having all the caked on stuff, so I kind of tried to wait until later on to do that. That's why I started my lines first. But you can do this really in any order. You could do your whole face orange with paint and then, you know, go in and blend and stuff. But really you're not going to get that ombre look unless you use eyeshadows or something like that. So that's why I chose to do it the way that I did. There's definitely some more layering that could have been done. I could have been a little more strategic about it and taken my time to make it just more solid. You can see there's some places that are uneven, but the idea is you want the inside of the lines to be very highlighted, and then you want different shades of oranges, browns, and blacks to create the pumpkin look and give it dimension. One thing I would recommend is for the black, I use Wet n Wild multi-sticks. These are like your typical things you see at Walmart every single year in Halloween. They're cheap, they're easy to use, but if you're really trying to perfect this look, honestly, you need something that's less greasy, that's less wet. You can be really careful with primers and then putting a black eyeshadow over top of it. I kind of sort of did that, but I got lazy, so that's why it's not perfect. It's kind of like blotchy in some areas. And then also, you know, you can do more setting with the glitter if you want it to be intense in the black areas. I just decided last second I wanted to throw that on there. As I was doing this look, you'll notice in one part of it, I actually am like, oh, okay, this is looking good, because I was worried there for a minute that it really wasn't turning out the way I wanted it to. But I think it's a good start. Definitely something that I'm gonna make a few tweaks to before I wear it out for Halloween. Thanks for watching, guys, and drop your Halloween costume in the comments below. I'm always curious about getting new ideas. I feel like everyone can be so creative, and here I am being a pumpkin. If you enjoyed this video, go on and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated on when I do some more makeup looks. I also do fitness videos, product reviews. I might dabble in some vlogging. You know, I'm just kind of a catch-all of randomness. So if that's something you're into, then subscribe.